Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Ethereum using the Revolut app. So first of all, you gotta go to the Wealth tab, obviously. Here, as you can see, there are different options. There are stocks, crypto, commodities, wallets. If you want to buy Ethereum, you go to the crypto tab, then tap invest. And here you can choose see all. If you want to see all the crypto options, then choose Ethereum, go to buy, and here you have two options. You can either set the amount of Ethereum you are planning to buy. For example, one Ethereum, it would be $1,800, or you can set the amount of money that you want to invest in Ethereum. So I will choose my Romanian account, and for example, if I want to buy Ethereum for 1 Romanian lei, then I will get 0.00013 Ethereum. So let's go and try to do this, buy Ethereum. Here you have to read all these regulations. It would be useful for you to read when you invest the first time. So I've already read them, so I won't read them now. Then just confirm order, and we bought 0.00013,378 Ethereum. This is how you buy Ethereum on Revolut. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like it, please consider subscribing. It would help me out a lot. And see you in the next video. Bye.